Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure of walking you through this new arrival. It is a 2021 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Just arrived on this brisk December morning. If you've been one of the people looking around the country for an available in-stock 150 Montauk and you watch this video shortly after it's been uploaded, you might be in luck. This one is available here in stock. Starting here up front, it's on a trailer with a swing tongue, nice galvanized trailer. The 150 Montauk will fit typically in even the smallest of Florida garages. Then you'll notice a raised bow rail that is a split design, making it really easy to anchor. You're not going to have to slide the anchor under here or have the rope scratch the top of the rail going up top. And a nice intricate little road chalk right here integrated into the anchor light. Then you got your bow cleat, a full beam bow cushion sitting on top of the anchor locker. It removes with just a couple snaps, and then you can access your anchor locker, which is fully insulated and drains overboard. You got another forward seat here with a removable igloo cooler. This is part of their fishing package. You got 4 vertical rod holders there behind that backrest, and a dedicated 2-tray tackle system with dedicated spot for a fire extinguisher. You're gonna notice a couple cup holders, one on either side up for the bow area. Real nice diamond non-skid. You can board the boat midship here, and you're going to notice a robust heavy-duty black rub rail with black graphics on a white hull. Sliding back, we got another set of raised grab handles. Again, just great for keeping kids in the boat, giving anybody the ability to grab on if they lose their balance, and monster amount of aft cockpit space. You name it, 5-gallon buckets, additional live well, dive gear, big coolers, camping stuff, beach stuff. Just a great open spot. And then you got a 12-gallon fuel cell tucked under this helm station. And taking a close look at this helm station, Whaler does a great job of giving you multiple positions. So there you can see how easy it was when you're anchored out. Now you can be aft-facing seating. Taking a close look at the console, we got a 7-inch Raymarine cup holder, your binnacle, nice stainless steel helm, your gauges, your switches for lights. Conveniently up front, we got a few cup holders, your compass, a couple charging ports right here. Really nice wraparound windshield and grab handle. You're never out of reach of a grab handle on this boat, which is so nice. And then look, an overlooked item is this toe kick right here. This is going to allow you to slide your feet up under while you're driving, just making it for a very comfortable standing position. Got a full bimini top. It is removable. Nice stainless steel. It's going to give you a great coverage when it's deployed to get out of the sun. Taking you guys back here to the transom, you got the Raymarine total multifunction transducer for your fish sounding. Got a convenient 3-step boarding ladder that folds down for getting in and out of the boat. Merc 60, it's going to give you plenty of range, great top speed. 150 Montauk, nothing else in its class compares. Get a chance to grab this up before she sells, because it will not last long. Again, this has been Matt Norman at MarineMax Clearwater. You can reach me directly with any questions, 239-849-4719, or come visit our showroom here in person in Clearwater, 18025 US Highway 19 North. Thanks so much for your time, and we'll see you on the water.